Hey everyone, it's David, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of online income. That's right, we're talking about the top 5 proven ways to put some serious cash in your pocket. All from the comfort of your own home, or anywhere with a Wi-Fi connection really. Whether you're grinding a 9-to-5 and itching for a side hustle to boost your savings, or you're ready to ditch the corporate world and become your own boss, these methods can be your ticket to financial freedom. We're going to break down each method step by step with actionable advice you can use right now. Remember guys, it's not about getting rich quick, it's about putting in the work, staying consistent, and building something sustainable. So, grab your notebooks and let's get started. First up, we're tackling the world of freelancing. Now, freelancing is all about leveraging your existing skills. Whether you're a writing wizard, a graphic design guru, a coding ninja, or a marketing mastermind, and finding clients who are willing to pay you for your expertise. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have exploded in popularity, making it easier than ever to connect with clients worldwide. Think about it. You get to set your own hours, choose projects you're passionate about, and watch your income grow as you build your portfolio and reputation. No more office politics, no more soul-crushing commutes, just you, your laptop, and the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. But here's the key to crushing it as a freelancer niche down. Don't try to be a jack of all trades. Instead, focus on 1 or 2 specific areas where you excel and become the go-to expert in that space. This allows you to command higher rates and attract premium clients. Remember, you're not just selling a service, you're selling your unique value proposition. And speaking of rates, don't undervalue yourself. Starting out, it can be tempting to lowball your prices to secure those first few gigs, but trust me, it's a slippery slope. Do your research, see what others in your niche are charging, and don't be afraid to negotiate your worth. Your time and skills are valuable, so treat them that way. Next up, we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing, and let me tell you, this one has the potential to generate some serious passive income. In a nutshell, affiliate marketing is all about partnering with brands and businesses you believe in, and promoting their products or services to your audience. You get a unique referral link, and every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's a win-win-win situation. The customer gets a valuable product or service, the company gets a new customer, and you, my friend, get paid for being the matchmaker. The key is to be authentic and only promote products or services that you genuinely use and believe in. Your audience can spot a phony from a mile away, so keep it real, provide value, and watch those commissions roll in. Now you might be thinking, David, where do I even find these affiliate programs? Well, the good news is they're everywhere. Amazon Associates is a great place to start, but you can also find affiliate programs directly on company websites or through networks like ShareASale and CJ Affiliate. Moving right along, we're stepping into the world of online courses, where you have the power to package your knowledge and expertise into a digital product that can generate income for years to come. Think about it. What are you truly passionate about? What skills or knowledge do you have that others would pay to learn? Whether it's photography, web development, cooking, personal finance, or anything in between, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it incredibly easy to create, host, and sell your online courses to a global audience. You can create high-quality video lessons, downloadable resources, quizzes, and even interactive forums to engage with your students and foster a thriving online community. The best part? Once your course is created, it's a one-to-many income stream, meaning you can sell it to thousands of students without having to reinvent the wheel each time. But here's the secret sauce to creating a successful online course. Focus on providing immense value and solving a specific problem for your students. Don't just regurgitate information that's readily available for free online. Instead, share your unique insights, experiences, and actionable strategies that will help your students achieve real, tangible results. Now, if you've got an entrepreneurial spirit and a knack for identifying profitable products, then e-commerce might be your calling. With the rise of online shopping, there's never been a better time to launch your own online store and sell directly to consumers worldwide. Platforms like Shopify and Etsy have completely revolutionized the e-commerce game, making it easier than ever to set up and manage your online store. even if you have zero technical experience. Shopify, for example, provides you with all the tools you need to create a stunning website, list your products, manage inventory, process payments, and even handle shipping. It's like having an entire team of e-commerce experts at your fingertips. But here's the million-dollar question: what are you going to sell? Well, you could go the dropshipping route, where you partner with a supplier who handles all the storage and shipping, or you could create and sell your own unique products. The key is to identify a niche market, conduct thorough product research, and find products that are in high demand but low competition. Last but certainly not least, we have the world of blogging, where you can turn your passions, interests, and expertise into a profitable online business. Now I know what you're thinking: isn't blogging dead? And the answer is a resounding no. Blogging is still very much alive and well, but the game has changed. It's no longer enough to just churn out mediocre content and hope for the best. To succeed in the world of blogging today, you need to create high-quality, valuable, and engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Think of your blog as your online real estate. You need to build a strong foundation, create valuable content that attracts visitors, and nurture those visitors into loyal readers and customers. But how do you actually make money from blogging? Well, there are several proven methods, including display advertising, think Google AdSense, sponsored posts, where brands pay you to feature their products or services, affiliate marketing, which we already covered, and even selling your own products or services. The key to monetizing your blog is to diversify your income streams and not put all your eggs in one basket. Experiment with different monetization methods, track your results, and double down on what's working best for you. So there you have it, guys. The top 5 proven ways to make money online in 2024. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking for new ways to boost your income, these methods can help you achieve your financial goals and design the life of your dreams. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about putting in the work, staying consistent, and never giving up on your dreams. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel for more money-making tips and tricks, and leave a comment letting me know which method you're most excited to try. And hey, if you have any questions or need help getting started, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help you succeed. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.